Alex, thanks a million for joining me today.
Welcome.
Let's start off by you telling me a bit about your background, your business, and what you're doing here at Intersec this year.
All right. I'm a mechanical engineer with a background in laser manufacturing processes. That's quite surprising because in the end, the company, what it does is high security mechanical keys. We call it the stealth key, and what it is in the end is a 3D metal printed key.
Right.
And that's where my laser knowledge comes into it. It's a key that looks like maybe a standard mechanical key, but you see no mechanical features. They're all hidden inside.
Okay.
This is the world's first 3D metal printed key.
Okay. And tell us, what's the unique selling point of your particular product versus some of your competitors?
Key copy protection on another level. So competitor keys are often a sheet of metal in which you drill holes.
Right.
This is a 3D metal printed key.
Okay.
It's just another league.
Okay, excellent. So what are you hoping to achieve out of Intersec this year?
We're looking for 3 pilot customers on high security applications.
Right.
That's our goal for this year, to work closely,
Yeah.
install the systems in facilities that are significant. Let's say for them it's a real serious issue to have keys like these that can be easily copied.
Sure.
That's our goal.
So how important is it for you then to have, local partners and people on the ground in the markets that you're targeting?
Well, it's very important to give very good customer support. That's why this pilot customer's strong, close relationship that in less than 2 hours we can be there if there's any issue. So you need to have people that you have trained on the site.
Okay, excellent. Talk to me a little bit about the market trends that you're seeing in your particular sector, in your particular industry at the moment.
Oh, that's quite interesting because 3 years ago when I noticed the threat of 3D duplication of keys with home 3D printers by anybody, when you talk to the industry, they would say, that's not a problem. It's okay, people will not copy keys. But now you begin to see more and more of this multinationals coming up with new kind of solutions for that.
Right.
Some are good, some of them are not as good, but you see there's a big change because of this empowerment of the masses to copy keys.
Right, okay, excellent, excellent. You're a young company.
Yes.
This is your first time at Intersec.
Right.
Talk to me about some of the challenges that you've had growing your business, and then let's say some of the opportunities that you see for your company in the region.
All right. One of the biggest challenges is that the security industry is very much controlled, let's say, dominated. The top 3 players have around 60% of the market share of mechanical locks, so that's one of the challenges. The other question that you mentioned, if I remember correctly, but correct me if I'm wrong, is that what are our challenges locally?
Right. Well, let's talk about the challenges locally for your business. But I suppose growing your business over the last couple of years.
It's been mostly focused on R&D, let's say, development and patenting, and now it's the time to sell the system, and that's a challenge for the industry. Let's say penetrating, let's say a conservative and controlled market is hard for us. That's why we're addressing this niche applications. We know we're into something. In the long run, we want to take this industry that is drilling holes in sheets of metal to 3D metal printing, but our initial goal is to go for niche markets where you want high security. Okay, excellent.
Something we've been hearing a lot about over the last couple of days is Africa, the opportunities and the challenges that are present out there.
Right.
Is this something that your business is looking at, or are you very much Middle East focused at the moment?
At this stage where right now we are open, we just came out with the product for the first time. We're limited for our capacity allows us to select 3 pilot customers, but localization is not critical for us.
Okay.
So it's a bit early for us. What I'm trying to say, we haven't looked at that in detail. We're not there.
Okay, excellent. I've one final question for you. Obviously you're exhibiting Intersec this year. What are you doing outside of this to ensure the growth of your brand, creating that brand awareness and developing your business, ensuring the growth over the next couple of years?
Sure. Like many other companies, you obviously have a PR agency helping us spreading the news around, but mostly attending security fairs like today. We come to Intersec, it really spreads the news to the people that we want to. It's like cherry picking. It's not that we want the general audience to learn about our keys, but those that are seeking high security. The same with Security Essen that we're going to by the end of September, because that's a place we want to be.
Okay, excellent. Alex, thanks a million for taking the time today. Really appreciate it. All the best to Intersec this year.
Thank you very much.
Great, thank you.